Hello and welcome. I come again with a new topic, GDP to contract by 5% in financial year 2021, says CRISIL. Rating agency CRISIL expects India's economy to shrink by 5% during the current financial year as the nationwide lockdown crippled economic activity. This is despite agriculture acting as a cushion. The non-farm growth rate is seen to contract by 6%, with agricultural activity providing a cushion with an estimated growth of 2.5%. A month is a long time in today's pandemic stricken world. Earlier, on April 28, we had slashed our prediction to 1.8% growth from 3.5%. Things have only gone downhill since, the rating agency said in a report. The first quarter, April to June, is expected to suffer a staggering 25% contraction. About 10% of gross domestic product (GDP) in real times could be permanently lost, CRISIL said. We believe a catch up to the post CRISIL trend level of GDP will not be possible in the next three fiscals despite policy support. To catch up, world require average GDP growth to the post-crisis trend level of GDP will not be possible in the next three fiscals despite policy support. To catch up, world require average GDP growth to surge to 11% of the next three fiscals, something that has never happened before. The report said in the past 69 years, the country had seen recession only thrice in 1958, 1966, and 1980, and the reason was the same each time: a monsoon shock that hit agriculture, then a seizable part of the economy. However, this year's recession would be because however, this year's recession would be because of non-farm sectors as the pandemic induced lockdowns have affected most non-agriculture sectors. In addition, the global disruption has upended whatever opportunities India had on the export front. For the forecast, CRISIL has assumed the containment measures taken by the government will be relaxed even if the lockdown continues. It has also assumed a normal monsoon and benign crude oil prices. The risk to the forecast are a second wave of the pandemic, a further markdown in global growth, and setback to farm sector growth due to monsoon failure or supply disruption. Counting lockdown 4.0, Indians have had 68 days of confinement. S&P Global estimates that 1 month of lockdown shaves 3% of annual GDP, and on average across Asia Pacific. On an average across Asia Pacific. Since India's lockdown has been the most stringent in Asia, the impact on economic growth will be correspondingly larger, the report said. CRISIL said the government's economic package of 20 lakh crore is enough muscle. The package has some short-term measures to cushion the economy, but sets its sight majorly on reforms, most of which will have payoffs only over the medium term.